Pierce. Meanwhile, Pepper Potts is like in lava, dying, or wherever she is. Excuse me. So Guy Pearce is the man dying, or wherever she is. Excuse me. So Guy Pearce is the Mandarin, but Rebecca Hall, who was the chick that he banged in the beginning of it. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. No, not a third one. I'm good. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can check out my Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. Guys, next time.